You weirdo.
I creeped.
Just standing there awkwardly videotaping me.
Well, you forgot to do it yesterday, so I figured we awkwardly do it today.
I was going to do it after we got out of church.
Well, we're going to go see Jesus, so it'll be great.
Exactly. I was going to record after church.
No, this is you packing your... Yeah, looking fly for a white guy.
What did a white guy have to do with it? Huh?
Don't spray that crap at me. It's the disgustingest thing in the world.
I thought you liked how I smelled. This whole time, it's all been a lie.
You smell good. I just don't want it on me.
Uh-huh. Backpedaling, I see.
No, it's not backpedaling.
Happy day 2 of Rocky Mountain Raceweek. So today we started with a bad idler pulley and our belt jumping. So yay, here we are. So we're putting a new pulley belt on. Happy anniversary to my beautiful wife. She doesn't want to be on camera, but you know, you guys have seen her in the random videos.
I hate it.
What a way to spend your anniversary on Rocky Mountain Raceweek.
Best.
So we're
Except
replacing.
for Hawaii. Hawaii was better, but it's fine.
Got the new pulley on.
Thank you, O'Reilly's.
Oh yeah.
Huge shout out to O'Reilly's. We didn't think we'd actually have this one, and we took
We
the last
also
one.
found out that yours truly is number 27 in the 12.0 class out of. Wait, they only go down to 50, so we don't know how many people are in the class, but we are number 27.
For only 2 passes, I think that's awesome.
That's what I'm saying.
Considering we didn't know what she would run or anything, or having to pull out so much timing. Good math skills.
Yeah, right? I math so hard.
You did math so hard. You may get the other belt.
Yeah. You can take it with you.
Huh?
Take it with you.
Just walk backwards. It'll be great.
All right, so we're gonna say this one is a spare, and we'll mark that this one is mediocre at best.
We'll just put back in this.
Exactly.
It wishes it was new.
I identify as slightly used.
At least we didn't rip it. Come here. Oh. That one's sparkly. I like this guy too. I'm gonna decide that I'm gonna do random videos of you like this at just really uncompromising positions.
It's my favorite. The dreaded squeak is gone, and our belt is good, and all is right in the land of fox bodies. So that's awesome. I'm really glad they had that pulley. Probably needed a new one for a while. Time to eat some food and get on the road.
On my watch, don't do that. That is rude.
What? Don't just take random videos
Don't
of
just take
the love of
random-
my life.
No.
Happy anniversary.
Go away.
Forgot the star of the day, besides my wife, is Aaron at O'Reilly's here. We're in Great Bend, Kansas, and Aaron, man, thanks to him, because he found the pulley I needed. I brought it in, set it on the counter. He's like, oh, right here. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you. And the fun part of race week, stop to help somebody on the side of the road. So if you stop, you're supposed to give him a thumbs up, letting him know you don't need any help. He's got a fuel pump issue. It looks like it's overheating and losing prime, so we're trying to fix it.
Ray.
I got someone right here.
Our car's been running a little hot. We're probably in the 210 range, but she's holding steady and not getting too hot, so we're just gonna send her. She's been doing really good. I'm so happy with this. So this morning we had to replace the belt, and that pulley down there took crap. The bearings went out, so it's good to have that done. Just hit our checkpoint going from Great Bend to Pueblo, and part of the fun is you got to take pictures and all that stuff for the checkpoints. So right now, Cleater and his boys are all at the checkpoint. Holy cow, it's hot, but we're in Pueblo, and I found out we have a exhaust leak. Pretty sure it's a turbo flange, could be the header flange, but I'll be tearing into that tomorrow morning. Otherwise, we made it here flawlessly. It's hot, and I want air conditioning. Oh, what a long drive. How long? That was probably 7 hours. What time did we leave this morning? It's probably 10. 10 or 11? Yeah, it was about 6 hours. We made it. Drive day is over. So this is day 2, and day 3 is race day in Pueblo tomorrow. So we'll start racing at 4 p.m. tomorrow. So it'll give me some time to get things sorted out on this in the morning, and then we will be at the track at 4 p.m. If you guys want to watch a live feed, there is a live feed at bangshift.com. They've got a live feed of the racing. So I think it starts at 3 p.m. and goes to 10 or something like that.
We have issues like we did yesterday. It goes till however.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So with this many cars, I think there was like half a dozen that dropped out today. Just breakages or couldn't make it or whatever.
The motorcycle's out.
But there's going to be hell, even getting through 300 cars and getting more than 2 passes. So we got to make our passes count tomorrow. I'm excited. Drive fast, take chances. We'll see you guys tomorrow.